Hindi! Happy birthday, Nani yan! Happy birthday! Saka, Merry Christmas! Advance! Saka, New Year! Happy New Year advance! Kumusta na lang kayo ni na Albert? Pag nyo ng mga katawan ninyo, alagaan ninyo, Nani. Hindi nyo sila pababayaan yung mga katawan ninyo. Sige, kumusta na lang? Kumusta na lang kayo?
Hello, De. Happy birthday. I thank the Lord for blessing you with 50 wonderful years. How I wish we are all there to celebrate this momentous milestone with you. Enjoy and savor every minute of your party, which Bro Albert organized to surprise you. Thank you, Bro, for making Daisy's party a unique one, which will leave a lasting impact on everyone. I'd like to take this chance to let you know how honored I am to have you as a sister and best friend rolled into one. You have been the trustworthy person whom I shared my secrets with since we were young girls. Thank you for everything you do for our family, for your kindness and generosity, which we deeply appreciate from the bottom of our hearts. As you celebrate your golden birthday, I pray for the Lord's blessings for all your plans and future endeavors, and may you continue to serve Him with your talent in music, with your loving and supportive husband. Cheers to the amazing woman you are now. If Tatay and Nanay are watching tonight, I'm sure they share the same happiness and anticipation. Happy birthday, dear sister. I love you very much always.
Happy birthday! As you enter your golden years, I hope and pray to God that He will bestow you with more blessings and more healthy years to come and celebrate. I hope that you will enjoy your birthday party today and always be happy. Know that we are always here as your family and always support you. Thank you for all the things that you have done for us, especially for me and you one. Know that they are all much appreciated. God bless always, sis. Enjoy!
Happy birthday, our beloved sister-in-law, Mrs. Daisy Malingkon. I wish more birthday to come in good health. At ang wish ko sa inyong mag-asawa ay sana, Lord, mabiyayaan po kayo, mabiyayaan mo sila ng mabait at mapagmahal at makajus na supling. Yun lang po. Thank you, and happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, TTC. Birthday is to come. Love you.
Happy birthday po, Auntie De. May this birthday be a special one and a one to be remembered. Nais lang po naming magpasalamat, kaming magpipinsan at lalo na po ako sa mga hindi po namin inaasahan na regalo. Naway ang birthday po na ito ay magsisilbing motivation pa po sa mga susunod na mga taon. At sana ay maging masaya pa po kayo sa inyong ginagawa at maging matatag pa sa araw-araw na pamumuhay. Yun lang po. Bye!
Hello po, Auntie De. I just want to greet you a happy birthday and congratulate you po on celebrating your golden year. I want to thank you po for all the gifts you've given us throughout all these years, and always remember po na we deeply love and care for you and that we are always here for you po. Lastly, I hope that you can cherish and enjoy this very special day. Again, have a blessed birthday po.
Happy 50th birthday to my gorgeous, kind, and amazing auntie. How I wish that we are there with you to celebrate this special occasion. Anyhow, I really hope that you enjoy your special day. Again, happy birthday. Stay beautiful and keep shining. We love you so much.
Hi Daisy, happy golden birthday.
Hi sa inyo lahat. Happy birthday. Happy fabulous birthday. 50 and fabulous na pala. Salamat sa lahat for being a nice friend and a true friend. And as for us here, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And again, happy birthday. Thank you.
Bye.
Oh yeah, say happy birthday to
Happy birthday.
Stay happy 50 fabulous birthday, Tita Daisy. We miss you here. Say hi to everyone. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
I'm so
Birthday!
Happy birthday, Tita. This is not a quarter girl. Happy birthday, Tita. Love you very much. Happy birthday, Daisy. Namamas ko po. Merry Christmas.
Say happy birthday din.
Happy 50th birthday, Auntie De. Thank you for being a good, sharing, caring, and loving auntie to me, Yuan, Rion, Roalf, Shane, and Kuya Linwell when he was still with us. As you enter a new and significant milestone in your life, I wish that you would continue to be granted with good health, new opportunities, blessings, and most importantly, with God's grace. That being said, happy birthday again, Auntie. Keep safe always and enjoy your special day.
Ayan today, I wish you a very very happy birthday and God bless po always. Thank you po sa lahat ng gift na nabigay niyo po sa akin. And happy birthday.
Hi Daisy! Happy birthday, my dearest inanak. Congratulations on reaching the age of 50. May you have a wonderful and fantastic birthday celebration tonight. I wish you all the best and may you have long years ahead and full of blessings and for you and your family. Continue serving the Lord and I know that God will guide and bless you always. May you continue to be the source of inspiration to others by serving the Lord, especially in our community couples for Christ. And stay sweet, stay beautiful, and stay safe always. Love you and advance happy and Merry Christmas to you and Albert. Enjoy the night. Love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Auntie Daisy. Happy birthday, Auntie Daisy. God bless.
Happy birthday, my Daisy. I miss you so much. You take care, Papa, but Merry Christmas. Happy birthday, Auntie Daisy. Merry Christmas.
Happy birthday, Ate. Always take care with Kuya. This Merry Christmas.
Hello, happy birthday ate. Kumusta po kayong lahat dyan? Ingat po kayo. I love you. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Peace daw. Wait a peace. Una peace. Peace. Wow.
What?
Hindi ka na. Happy birthday, Daisy.
Birthday.
More blessings and good health. Happy birthday.
Birthday, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Happy birthday.